Hi there, Caroline from ThoughtFarmer here. In this video, our first of 2020, I'm going to walk you through the key features and updates that are included in our latest release, ThoughtFarmer 9.7. The highlight of this release is by far our new integration to everybody's favorite instant messaging platform, Slack. This was one of the most requested platform integrations that we've had in a while, and even our own team of ThoughtFarmers were asking for it. So we had to make sure we got it just right, and we think we did. So what does this integration look like? Honestly, guys, this one runs pretty deep. So for now, I'll just mention 3 of the key features: activity messages, link previews, and search. Activity messages are pretty straightforward in that they're designed to push new content from your internet to Slack. The actual content that's pushed to Slack is entirely up to you. Say, for example, you want to push new company news to a Slack channel. You can select the company news section of your internet, choose the Slack channel you want to push the news to, choose new news item from the pick list, and that's it. Now, anytime you post a new event, it will automatically appear in Slack. Next up is the link preview. Just like how a regular web link unfurls when you post it in Slack, now when you post a link from your internet into Slack, it will unfurl to display the same helpful metadata that you're used to seeing, such as the link itself, the page title, a quick summary, and an image. And last but not least, you can now search your internet directly from Slack. Setup couldn't be easier. All you have to do is decide on a / command. Since our internet is called Sparky, we decided on search Sparky. And now when you use that command followed by a search term, Slack will return the 5 most relevant results. And from there, you can actually share those results. This integration is highly configurable and it can be adapted to your needs. So please do reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to walk you through the setup process. Next up, a couple of sweet FormFlow enhancements. Firstly, we've added the ability to bulk add items for radio button, checkbox, and drop-down options. How you add those items is super simple. You just add each item on its own line, or you can copy and paste an entire list. You press save, and voila, they're all added at once. This should make building forms much quicker. The other enhancement is the ability to export forms table data. This will be useful in a variety of scenarios, such as when HR needs to review the beneficiaries listed within a benefit program, or even if you just need to carry out an inventory of office supplies. Next up is the calendar, which our dev and design teams have spent a lot of time on recently. Speaking of, let's talk about design. For 9.7, we've added several new designs for calendar views, including an awesome new list view. Not only that, but we've also added the ability to export a list of event attendees, and we've given attendees the ability to edit event details after the fact. So if you want to bring a few extra friends to the cocktail evening, now you can. Lastly, I'll mention the anniversary card enhancement. We've gone ahead and added some new date options to the anniversary card. It's now configured in the same way as our birthday card. So now you can choose which anniversaries you want to display, how often you want to display them, and where you want them to show up. And that's it for this video, folks. There are lots of other enhancements, including an update to the design of the org chart admin page, a wildcard search option in the people directory search, and several new accessibility and performance improvements. But as always, you can visit the documentation section of our community site to read detailed notes for the 9.7 release. And as always, remember to subscribe to our monthly newsletter that highlights our most exciting news and updates.